Our second graders are working on their Blackout Bowling activity today. They're in groups of about 3 or 4 at a station. They're taking turns keeping track of the scorecard, taking turns bowling, and taking turns setting up the pins and returning the ball. Take a look and see what that looks like in action here. Here's the scorecard. Their bowler just got a 4, so the scorekeeper marks off a 4. Then he rotates to go be the bowler. Bowler's going to go down by the pins, and the person that was at the pins came back to be the new scorekeeper. So whatever the number they roll on one shot, that's the number that gets marked down on the scorecard. We're trying to black out our entire sheet by getting every number crossed off. When we've crossed off every number, then we've completed the activity. It does take a little communication, a little problem solving here, working it out. Kids start to realize once their sheet fills up, they can figure out how many pins they want to set up. So if they're going for 1 pin, for example, they can just choose to set up 1 pin down at the end instead of set up all 6. A little bit better chance of success there. There's a 5, so he'll mark down 5 and they'll rotate. Also, using 6 pins lets us go a lot faster because we don't have as much equipment to set up after each turn. So the kids can get more opportunities to bowl, which is always nice. Call this one Blackout Bowling.